And if you do this, then like you're still going to be able to get like 99% of the revenue from full outsourcing. I think the other thing that I think is worth talking about is like the application layer perspective on privacy, which I think is important. Like privacy is super important, but I do think that there definitely are these kind of extra legal challenges that have to be navigated, right? Like basically, yeah. So Tornado Cash exists, and Tornado Cash still exists, right? But like even if Tornado Cash is still completely usable and uncensored from an Ethereum protocol perspective, that does still in practice like the legal actions have in practice limited its usefulness, right?